Hello friends, welcome back one more time on my YouTube channel Dr. Nilesh Advice. I hope you must be healthy, happy, hearty, fit and fine. What we are going to discuss today is the flu vaccine. The flu season is around the corner. Generally the September or the October month is the season when the flu virus starts spreading and it is causing a lot of infection in the children, adults as well as the senior people. Specifically in the year 2020 when you have COVID-19 pandemic and now the flu season, it can strongly affect our health because both of these viruses affect our one system, that is respiratory system. Our airways and lungs get infected. That's why it is very important to get protected from the flu virus in this season. So I am recommending to all of you to get vaccinated with the flu vaccine. You all must have specific questions and the doubts regarding the flu vaccine. That all I am going to answer in this video, and at the end I am going to take some specific COVID-19 and the flu related questions which I am going to answer. So what is a flu vaccine? Flu vaccine is a seasonal vaccine that we have to give every year. Why we have to give every year? Because the flu virus is such a virus which changes its outer layer every year, and that's why it is infected all over the world every year. So that's why we require updated vaccine every year. How the vaccine is prepared and how we know that next year is this virus. So our healthcare bodies monitor the flu activity all over the globe, and from that research they will come to know that this virus is going to get prevalent in the next year. So based on that, flu vaccine is getting prepared. The vaccine is definitely indicated to the certain high risk group where the virus itself is deadly and the complication of the flu disease itself is much more. Which are these high risk groups? Children less than 5 years of the age, where the complication of the flu disease is much more. The older who are more than 65 years of the age, they are more prone for the complications of the flu virus. The children or the adult who has certain chronic conditions like cancer, diabetes, heart conditions, children who has asthma, they are more prone for the complication of the flu virus. So that is definitely strongly recommended. Pregnancy is also considered one high risk situation. If any pregnant lady get the flu infection, it is quite complicated for her. So that's why it is strongly recommended to give the influenza vaccine or the flu vaccine to the pregnant lady. Can lactating or breastfeeding mother take the flu vaccine? Yes, she can take the flu vaccine. The minimum age to give the flu vaccine is 6 months. After 6 months of age, anyone can take the flu vaccine, but consult a doctor prior to get the flu vaccine. Which is the best time to get the flu vaccine? The flu vaccine is taken prior to the flu season starts in your country. Like in the UAE, the flu season starts around September or October. So that's why the new vaccine comes in the September, October. So at that time you have to take the flu vaccine. How many doses of the flu vaccines are there? If your child is between 6 months to 8 years and he is taking first time the flu vaccine, then it is a 2-dose vaccine, and 2 doses to be given at 1 month interval. After 9 years of age, every year only single dose is required, that is prior to the flu season. How does the vaccine is given? Vaccine is given by 2 routes. Some countries which has a live vaccine, they give through the nose like the spray. The countries where only injectable vaccine is available, it is given by the intramuscular injection, just like the other vaccinations. If your child has egg allergy, then also he can take the flu vaccine, but you have to inform your doctor so that he can take the specific precautions if child developed any allergic reaction. Suppose your child is of 4 years of age and in the previous season you have taken one dose of the flu vaccine, then you forget to take the second dose of the flu vaccine. In this situation, both the doses of the flu vaccine we have to give in this season. What are the side effects of the flu vaccine? Flu vaccines are quite safe. Very few people are developing some of the side effects of the flu vaccine like sneezing, low grade fever and the pain at the injection site. Very few patients can develop the illness known as a Guillain-Barré syndrome, but that incidence is very low or almost negligible. Who cannot take the flu vaccine? The person who has severe allergy with any of the ingredient of the flu vaccine, that person should not take the flu vaccine, or the person who has suffered in the past with the one illness known as a Guillain-Barré syndrome, he cannot take this vaccine. Now let's move to the specific questions related to COVID-19 and the flu vaccine. Suppose if you are already infected with the COVID-19, you have the active infection, can we take the flu vaccine? No. Your isolation period and your symptom should get complete to get the flu vaccine. Can you get the flu and the COVID-19 infection simultaneously? Yes, you can get both the infection at the same time and both the infection target the one organ. So that's why this year it is quite important to take the flu vaccine to get protection from the flu infection as well as the complication of the flu infection. One common question which is asked, that will the flu vaccine protect against the COVID-19 as well? No. Answer is no. The flu vaccine doesn't protect against the COVID-19 infection. One important point to remember is, as the flu vaccines are different in the different countries and it is available at a different times. So whenever you go to the doctor, you always ask him to write down the specific brand of the vaccine which is given in your vaccination record. That is very important. Friends, I am coming to end of this session. If you have any questions or the doubt, you can put in the comment box. I will answer that one. If you like this video, press the like button, share with your friends and colleagues, and if you are first time on my YouTube channel, please subscribe as well. Thank you very much.